Hey folks, Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this beauty. Can you see the blue in it? Oh, yeah. It is another Baritone. It's a B-6.2. You know, got that point forward offset look going. And, you know, all the nerdy details are going to be in the description. But look at that. Just look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right. So let's just give you a little quick sound demo, shall we? All right, so you know what I've been doing lately. Let's see if I can get something going here. I have no idea what I got available to me, but let's see. Let's just pick a beat. Yeah, that'll work. That's all right. say? That's what I got for it. But you know, it's a beautiful guitar. It's made right now tuned A to A. That's how the customer wants it. So it's all set up, intonated. You know, we've got the strings on it for that. And what can we say? It's just it's so fun making these baritones. I just love it. And you know, and the ones with the kill switch, I'm constantly learning stuff, and it's kind of, yeah, it's pretty cool. What can I say? All right, thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. It's the first demo of the year for us, I think. Yeah, it's pretty late in the, already. What, about the 15th of the month? But I've got others. I got another one that actually a 12-string, which is the model number or serial number before this, so it was supposed to be done, but I had a little beautification I wanted to take care of on the headstock, make it look even more gooder. And this one is ready to go out the door. I'm going to do a little photo essay here in a few moments and get it going. I do have more the Dude Ranch coming. I've got the new build that's going to be the Hairy Scary model. That's going to be the heart-shaped one. So check that out. That's the heart-shaped base. We're making two. We're making one to replace one that Spike Mike lost in his tragic little house fire that he had. And we're also making another one that he is going to auction off on his eBay site, so that help raise funds for them, because obviously they lost a lot. They lost a lot of instruments, personal family stuff. He lost a place to live, all that stuff. And you know, money isn't going to compensate, but it definitely is going to help. They've got a tour coming up too, so hopefully we'll get the bass done in time for that, and yeah, and get the fundraiser going for him. So what can I say? Everything is delayed. I have a customer that needed titanium rods. We're making 3 guitars for him. He wanted titanium support rods. I can't even get it. So, you know, what can I say? Everything, the whole supply chain. We've got 8-string pickups we can't get. We've got Floyd Roses we can't get, because of the whole supply chain. It's terrible. What can I say? But we're doing our best and trying to keep up with all that and catch up on back orders. Yeah. So do appreciate the support that we've been getting, and those of you who are helping to grow the channel. If you haven't clicked the like and subscribe button, if you're not already a subscriber and haven't already ring that notification bell, please do so. If you have friends that you think might like, please do so. Growing the channel one happy viewer at a time. All right, thanks again for supporting Dude Craft Guitars.